Welcome to 2025, the year of AI. Yo, what's up everyone? It's 2025 and AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here, it's everywhere, and it's changing the game in ways we could only dream of before. Like, remember when we used to unlock our phones with our fingers? Feels kinda ancient now, doesn't it? From the way we commute to how doctors diagnose diseases, AI is weaving itself into the fabric of our lives, making everything smoother, smarter, and more efficient. In this video, we're gonna unpack some of the craziest AI innovations that are blowing up this year. We're talking next-level stuff that's straight out of a sci-fi movie, but trust me, it's real. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the world of AI in 2025. Your new BFF AI assistants that actually get you. First up, let's talk about AI assistants. I'm not just talking about Siri telling you the weather though. We're talking full-on, personalized AI companions that live in your smart home, your phone, even your wearable tech. Imagine this. You walk into your house, the lights adjust to your mood, your favorite playlist starts playing, and your AI chef suggests what to make for dinner based on what's in your smart fridge. And it's not just about convenience. Health-wise, AI is becoming a lifesaver. Wearables are now so advanced, they can track not just your steps and heart rate, but also detect early signs of diseases like way before you even feel a symptom. It's like having a personal doctor with you 24/7. Crazy, right? Driver's seat? Nah, I'm good. Autonomous vehicles take over. Next up, self-driving cars. And no, I'm not talking about those early models that struggle to stay in their lane. We're talking fully autonomous vehicles that are so in sync with each other, it's like they're having a conversation. Imagine a world where traffic jams are a distant memory, accidents are rare, and you can literally sleep, work, or catch up on your favorite shows during your commute. This is the power of AI taking the wheel, literally. These cars are learning from each other, adapting to real-time traffic conditions, and making decisions to ensure not just a smooth ride, but a safe one too. No more road rage, no more human error. It's like the whole transportation system got a futuristic upgrade. AI doctors? The future of healthcare is here. Now let's talk about AI in healthcare, because this is where things get really mind-blowing. We all know the healthcare system can be, well, complicated. But AI is here to streamline the entire experience, especially when it comes to diagnostics. Forget waiting weeks for test results. AI-powered tools can analyze medical images, lab reports, even genetic data, to detect diseases like cancer at stages so early. It drastically increases the chances of successful treatment, but it goes beyond just diagnosis. AI is also helping doctors personalize treatment plans for patients, taking into account their unique genetic makeup, lifestyle, and other factors. It's like having a team of specialists working together to create a health plan tailored just for you. Chapter 4. Surgery gets an upgrade. Meet the robot surgeons. Hold on tight because we're about to enter the world of robot surgeons. And no, this isn't some sci-fi movie, this is real life, people. We're talking about AI-powered surgical robots that can perform incredibly complex procedures with a level of precision that even the most skilled human surgeons would be impressed by. Think about it. Smaller incisions, less blood loss, faster recovery times. This is the future of surgery, and it's already happening. These robots aren't replacing surgeons though, they're working alongside them, acting as an extension of their expertise, making sure every movement is calculated, precise, and as minimally invasive as possible. Okay, let's talk education. Remember those days of cramming for exams, trying to keep up with lectures that didn't quite click with your learning style? Yeah, those days are over. With AI, every student can now have their own personalized tutor, available 24/7. These AI tutors analyze your learning patterns, identify your strengths and weaknesses, and adapt the curriculum to your pace. It's like having a teacher who knows exactly how you learn best, and tailors their teaching style just for you. Chapter 6. No more school buses? Welcome to the virtual classroom. Speaking of education, remember the classroom? Yeah, that's also getting a major AI makeover. We're talking about immersive virtual classrooms that connect students and teachers from all over the world. Imagine learning about the Amazon rainforest alongside students in Brazil, or dissecting a virtual frog with classmates in Japan, all in real time. This is the power of AI breaking down geographical barriers and creating a truly global learning experience. And the best part? These virtual classrooms are designed to be interactive and engaging, with simulations, virtual field trips, and collaborative projects that make learning fun again. Now let's switch gears and talk about how AI is transforming the business world. In 2025, if you're not using AI, you're falling behind. One of the biggest game changers is predictive analytics. AI can now analyze massive amounts of data to identify trends, predict customer behavior, and help businesses make smarter decisions. Imagine knowing what your customers want before they even do, or anticipating market shifts before they happen. That's the power of AI in action. It's like having a crystal ball that gives you a glimpse into the future of your business. Chapter 8, Customer Service, more like AI service. And finally, let's talk about customer service, an area where AI is making a huge impact. Gone are the days of waiting on hold for hours, trying to navigate complicated phone menus. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are now available 24/7 to answer your questions, resolve issues, and provide personalized support. But it's not just about answering questions. These AI agents can analyze your past interactions, understand your preferences, and even anticipate your needs, providing a level of personalized service that's hard to beat. It's like having a dedicated customer service rep who knows you by name and is always ready to help. Outro: the future is AI, so there you have it. These are just a few of the mind-blowing ways AI is transforming our world in 2025. From personalized healthcare and education to self-driving cars and robot surgeons, AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy, it's our present reality. And the craziest part, this is just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve at an unprecedented rate, who knows what incredible innovations await us in the years to come. One thing's for sure though, the future is AI-powered, and it's looking pretty amazing. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI breakthroughs. Until next time.